Here's how to make an absolute classic, the red velvet cake with cream cheese frosting. Look at it, it's perfect. Make your cake by beating together your butter and sugar until creamy, then adding in your eggs, vanilla, and of course, extra strong red food colouring. Mix and then add in your cocoa powder, your plain flour, your buttermilk, your bicarb, and your white wine vinegar. Mix until smooth. Split this between two lined 8-inch tins. Bake and cool the sponges fully. I cut off part of the cake for decoration later. Beat the butter on its own, then adding the icing sugar and beat again. Add in vanilla, full fat cream cheese and mix. Pipe this onto the cakes however you fancy, and then crumble up some of the cake to use as sprinkles. Enjoy!